Guys, this is Surasoni and very warm welcome to you once again on Chemstar. So friends, in today's session I am going to discuss with you what is law of conservation of energy. So here in this session we will see how energy gets transformed from one form of energy to the another form of energy, but it cannot be used up. All right, it cannot be consumed. All right, it gets converted from one form of energy to the another form of energy. So let's start today's session. So friends, as you can see here on the screen, it is a it's written here law of conservation of energy. All right, so let's see the definition of law of conservation of energy first. So energy is neither created nor destroyed, but can only be transformed from one form of energy to another form of energy. All right, so what law of conservation of energy says is we cannot destroy or create any energy. All right, whatever energy is present in the universe, we can only change this energy from one form to the another form. All right, for doing our work. So here, as you can see here in the picture, one mountain, one rock piece is there on the top of mountain. All right, which contains some amount of potential energy as well as the kinetic energy. So as we know, if some object is in static state somewhere, so that particular object contains potential energy is energy which is there in the object which are in the static form. All right, so initially what happens, this piece of rock is at mountain rock in the static position. All right, so here potential energy is 10 unit and kinetic energy is 0 unit. Kinetic energy is energy which is there uh, in the object which is in a motion. All right, so what happens when we push the rock piece from the mountain top, what will happen, potential energy get potential energy will get change into the kinetic energy, so that rock will fall toward the ground. All right, so in this second rock you can see potential energy is 7 unit now and kinetic energy is 3 unit. So out of 10 unit of potential energy, there is a 3 unit potential energy which gets converted into kinetic energy, so that rock is falling toward the ground. All right, so friends, I hope you have understood this whole concept of law of conservation of energy, as well as you have understood the concept of potential energy and kinetic energy too. So thank you very much for watching this video till end. Thanks again. Please like the video, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks again.